This video will be showing you how to assemble the KeyForge card insert. It'll look like so. Your kit will contain 2 pieces, 2 small bottom pieces, your side pieces or side walls, and your front and back. Go ahead and start with this one. I like to take one of the front or back walls, same size, same shape, they can be either. And we're going to glue one of the side walls to it. The side wall edge that's flat will be the top, and that will align with the top of our KeyForge piece. So, as with all sandbox gaming products, we do recommend wood glue to help increase the longevity and durability of the product. So we'll go ahead and put a little bit of glue in those cavities, take the side wall and go ahead and pop it into place. You will get a little bit of glue sometimes come out the side. Just a simple paper towel, you can wipe that off, or a Q-tip, you can do the same thing to clean it off, whatever you'd like. I do prefer also having a Q-tip to just wipe through the inner crease like that, of getting the excess glue out. After that, we'll flip it upside down, take one of our bottom feet, put a little bit of glue in those parts, and just pop that in like so. Whoops. Wiping off any excess. All right. And then from there, we can move on to the other part, which will attach that. Okay. And again, just wiping off any excess glue. Don't feel nervous about adding too much glue. It is easy to wipe it off, and then when it dries, even a quick hit of sandpaper can also clear off any excess glue. I tend to just take the dropper bottle as is and smear it on. That is because we have a nice little tiny tip on ours. Some wood glue bottles have much larger tips. If that's the case, another easy method is just to take a sheet of paper or a paper plate or something, dab some glue onto it, and then take a Q-tip, just as you would a paintbrush, get some glue on there, and then just kind of wipe the glue into those. That kind of helps keep a minimal amount of glue on the product. Whatever works best for you, that's how you should do it. All right, now we'll take the other side piece, again noting the flat edge being on the top. A little bit of glue. Get all that into place. Wiping off any excess, nothing on the inside, so we're good. And then last but not least, the other bottom part, like so. Making sure it's all good and tight. Wiping off any of that excess glue. And there you have a completed KeyForge card insert.